Geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence where each term after the first term is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by a non-zero constant called the common ratio. The common ratio R can be obtained by dividing any term in the sequence by the term that precedes it. Thus, in the geometric sequence 4, 12, 36, and so on, the common ratio is 3. Simply, 12 divided by 4, that is 3, or 36 divided by 12, that is also 3. The nth term of geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, where a sub n is the nth term or the last term, a sub 1 is the first term, r is the common ratio, n is the number of terms. Okay, let's have examples. Number 1. What is the seventh term of the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 24? The first term is 3. The common ratio can be obtained by dividing 6 and 3, and that is 2. And n is 7, since we're looking for the seventh term. Okay, let's use the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Let's substitute the given values. A sub 1 is 3 times r is 2 raised to n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1. Okay, so here 3 times, so 7 minus 1 is 6. That is 6. Okay, so we have 3 times 2 raised to 6 can be expanded to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 6 2's. So get the product. So that's 64. So that is 64. So 3 times 64 is 192. So this is now the seventh term. Number 2. What is the fifth term of the geometric sequence 64, 32, 16? And so on. Alright, so we have here 64, 32, and 16. So since we're looking for the fifth term, so we only need 2 terms to identify the answer. Okay, so given that the first term is 64, so let's get their common ratio. So that's 32 divided by 64. So this is shorter. So that is, or in fraction, 32 over 64, or that is the same as 1/2. So meaning to say the common ratio is 1/2. So the next term can be obtained by multiplying the preceding term by 1/2, or simply divide the preceding term by 2 to get the next term. So 16 divided by 2, or 16 times 1/2 is 8, and then times 1/2 is equal to 4. So the fifth term is 4. Number 3. What is the sixth term of the geometric sequence if the third term is 16 and the common ratio is 2? Okay, so the third term is 16 and the common ratio is 2. And we're looking for the sixth term. Okay, so we can do it by simply listing the next terms until you reach sixth term. Okay, so 16, since the common ratio is 2, so multiply it by 2, that's 32, and then multiply it again by 2, that is 64, 128. So this third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So the sixth term is 128. Okay, so another way is by using the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. A sub n is 16, a sub 1 is unknown, r is 2, n is 3 raised to n is 3 minus 1. So 16 is equal to a sub 1 3 3 minus 1 is 2, so that's 2 raised to 2. So 16 here is 2 times 2 raised to 2 is 2 times 2, 4. That's 4a sub 1. Divide both sides by 4, cancel. So we have now a sub 1 as 4. Okay, so let's compute for a sub 6. A sub 6. So a sub 6 is equal to a sub 1 is 4 times r, which is 2 raised to 6 minus 1, and that is 4 times 2 raised to 5. 4 times 2 raised to 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and that is 32. So 4 times 32 is 128. So still the same. Number 4. Find a formula for the nth term of the geometric sequence 5, 15, 45. Okay, so here the first term is 5. The common ratio is 15 divided by 5. That is 3. So using the nth term of geometric sequence, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. The nth term of that sequence, the nth term of the given sequence is equal to a sub 1 is 5 times r is 3 raised to n minus 1.